Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who loves fashion, style, and the little details that make a big statement, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish and the luxury. Mini handbags for girls. The ultimate accessory that blends charm, elegance, and practicality in one tiny package. Mini handbags have taken the fashion world by storm. These petite powerhouses are more than just cute accessories. They're a bold fashion statement. Whether you're heading to a brunch, a shopping trip, or even a formal event, a luxury mini handbag instantly elevates your look. What makes them even more special is their ability to express personality through design, color, and detail. Brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Dior have all created mini versions of their iconic bags, each infused with their signature style. The Chanel mini flat bag, for example, brings timeless sophistication in a smaller silhouette, perfect for young fashionistas. The Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy is another favorite, crafted with the brand's signature monogram canvas and finished with fine leather trimming. It's cute, compact, and carries just what you need. Think lip gloss, a small wallet, and your phone. Gucci's Marmont Mini bags are loved for their quilted finish and bold double G logo. Ideal for girls who want to add a little glam to their outfit. Dior's Lady Dior Mini brings a touch of elegance with its structured form, dangling letter charms, and high-quality craftsmanship. These bags are often available in vibrant colors and luxurious materials like lambskin, velvet, or patent leather, making them not only beautiful to look at, but also lovely to touch. What truly sets these luxury mini bags apart is the attention to detail. From hand-stitched patterns to custom hardware, every piece tells a story. Some come with detachable straps for crossbody wear, while others are designed to be handheld or worn on the wrist. They're perfect for fashion-forward girls who love to stand out, and for parents looking to treat their daughters to a special gift that combines style with a hint of luxury. And let's not forget the fun side of these bags. They're Instagram-worthy, collectible, and often come in seasonal designs that make them even more unique. Whether it's a glitter finish, floral embroidery, or a limited edition collaboration, there's always something exciting in the world of mini luxury bags. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these tiny treasures with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more style inspiration and fashion updates. Let us know in the comments which luxury mini handbag is your favorite, or which one you dream of adding to your collection. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining.